Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at column multiplication, multiplying by one-digit numbers. So that is multiplying a larger number, like for example here 438 by 6. Now we use a written method for things like this because obviously we do know our times tables, our multiplication tables, but they do only take us so far, and some calculations do get a little bit large and a little bit messy when trying to do them mentally. So a nice, efficient, effective written method is the column multiplication method, which I'm going to show you here today. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to write these out in columns. And what do I mean when I say columns? I'm talking about the place value column. So that is our hundreds, tens and units. Now then, 438 is 400s. Oops, sorry, change the colour there. Is 400s, 3 tens and 8 units, and we're multiplying by 6, which is just 6 units. So now that they're in place, so we'll try that again. Now that they're in place, we'll go about doing our multiplication. So what we do here is we multiply each of these numbers on the top in turn by this number on the bottom, the 6. So what we'll do is we'll do 6 times 8, which is of course 48. So the 8's there, and the 4 we'll bring up here, just like we do if we do a column addition or a column subtraction, oh sorry, a column addition rather, and we'll bring this over here because we can only have one number in the column, and 48 is 4 tens, so we'll put it in this column here, and 8 units. Now then, we'll do 6 times 3, which is 18, add 4 is 22, that's 22 tens, so it's 2 tens, and carry that 2 there into the hundreds column. And now we'll do this 6 times this 4, so 6 times 4 is 24, add 2 is 26. And that's all there is to it. 438 times 6 is 2,628. Now obviously that will be quite a complex thing to work out mentally, so this is why we use this method. Let's have a look at one more example. So in this example we're doing 327 times 4. So first of all, let's put our place value columns in. So hundreds, tens and units. Let's get our red pen back. So it's 300s, 2 tens, 7 units, times by 4. And then we'll get our little line across the bottom here. Okay, let's get to multiplying. 4 times 7 is 28. So it's 8 units, 2 tens and 8 units, 28. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 2 is 10. And remember, we can only have one number in a place value column, so if it is 10 we can't squeeze the 1 and the 0 in the same column. It's 0 here and 1 here, so it's because 10 tens is 100. And then it's 4 times 3 is 12, add the 1 is 13. And obviously we put the 1 here because there isn't another column to work with. Okay, so 327 times 4 is 1,308. Now this does work when you're multiplying two-digit numbers by a one-digit number, so you could just do 27 times 4 if you wanted to. It will also work with larger numbers than 327. It can work for numbers that go into the thousands, into the tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even into the millions. This method works. All you need to do is you just need to make sure you put things in the right column and you just multiply each of them by this number on the bottom. Just take it one at a time and just make sure you're recording your answers correctly. I hope this video was useful for you. If it did help, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. There is a video also that focuses on multiplying numbers by a two-digit number, which we again in column method we call that long multiplication. So as I said, if the video was useful, don't forget hit subscribe. That button is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen now, and the video for the long multiplication is on the left. Thanks for tuning in guys, see you again soon, bye bye.